ToConnect is a tool where you can organise and represent knowledge about a concept. Ideas can all be interconnected and arranged according to preference. To get started, simply open ToConnect. You will be presented with the options to use a blank template or pick a pre-designed template to work from, which provides a solid scaffold to support structuring of ideas. Let's start by using a blank template. We are presented with a large white canvas. There is a bin in which we can move unwanted content. Up here is a play presentation button. And over here is a writing toggle switch. We will explore these in separate videos. I'm going to create a concept map about food groups. In the middle, I'm going to pop in food. Just by clicking, a node appears. Let's type food. Now around this, I want to connect the 5 food groups I have been learning about. Just as before, I can click where I want and I can type. There we go, my 5 food groups. Now I would like to connect these so that they all link to the main concept of food. Simply by clicking and dragging to each node, I can connect them. Note the direction of the idea. We can, if needed, change directions by clicking on the connections or removing direction completely. Each node is free to move around without the connections being broken. If I need to remove a connection, I can simply click either end of it and drag it off the node. Let's pop that back. I would love to add some personalization. If I click on a node, you will see a pencil, which means we can edit. Clicking on it brings up this screen of options. I can change font sizes, which can also be done when I resize the node here. I can include pictures, sounds, notes, links, and alter the colour of the node box. I'm going to add an image. Let's add this from the gallery. And let's do the same for the other nodes. I can add more nodes like so. If I'm not happy with a node, I can simply edit it by clicking on it and clicking a pencil, or delete it by clicking and dragging it into the bin. We saw that we could add nodes for each node when in edit mode. This is a handy feature. I'm going to add notes for each node. Here is my finished piece. When I click on each node, I can see the notes. This looks most effective when I'm in presentation play mode, which you can find out more about in the next video.